with the luxury we have of knowing that even though we have 6 weeks and I'm back again, which is fantastic, because what's really important is please don't ever wait until you can do it before you start trying to do it. That would be like saying, okay, I would like to run a marathon. Yesterday was the London Marathon, yes? Okay, I want to run a marathon, but I will wait until I can run the marathon before I start running. That makes no sense whatsoever. First you run a mile and your knees hurt, and then you run a couple miles, and then you're doing 10 miles a day, and then whatever it is, right? I mean, you wouldn't expect to be able to run a marathon without having run a marathon. There is no way to get what I'm doing to what I'm doing without doing it. You have to practice. We have to get in shape. And so many people when I teach, they keep saying, well, I mean, I didn't want to try it on my patients. Why not? I mean, it's not like this hurts. I mean, it's not the Asher seminar, right? So please, play, and look at it as play. Have fun. If you, for some reason, you have a core ethical value of not working on your patients until you exactly know how to do a technique, call up somebody who's in this room. Go play with them. But please, play. Nobody, play on yourself. Get a roll of toilet paper. Take out the cardboard middle. I don't know if yours is the same here. Squish it flat. Take a needle. And then practice italicsing in on the toilet paper, practicing italics out on the toilet paper. Practice holding it in and not letting it go, but slide and vibrate. See when the needle bends. But play, practice, work on things.